It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, man, bringing y'all another hit, another epic video. Y'all know what time it is, man. Look, we out here quarantined and everything like that. Look, I still got to get out here to try and entertain y'all, man. So I'm hoping y'all loving the footage, man. If y'all just watched the video before, y'all seen that Chevy right there, that demonstration right there. Yes, it's for sale. So I hope y'all biting on it, man, and hitting Playboy up for that demonstration, man. But man, we got to show y'all the shop vlog, man. We got to get it in over in here and show y'all what's all going on up in here, man. So y'all already know, man. We at Shop and Go. What is Shop and Go Customs? Show and Go. I'm all over there. Hey, all over the place. Oh, you over there? Y'all see over there tucking stuff, man. Up here in the lab, getting it in. Y'all see right here, something already in the works, man. What's up? You gotta tell them what's going on with this demonstration now, man. What you got going?
This is for my boy ATLian out of Milwaukee. Little supercharged, fully built LS. Nice little setup. And have ice cold AC, the whole nine.
Oh, I see. You got the compressor on here, the MSD coils on here. You got the works on this thing, huh?
Brakes on there.
Oh yeah, we gonna hold on. We're gonna have to spin down here and show y'all that too, man. Y'all see it. Intercooler, radiator, everything, man. This thing in the works of being a beast. He definitely on one, man. Y'all see what's going on, guys. So this the color he painted it then, I'm assuming, because if y'all see the outside.
The color card going PC custom.
Oh, okay. Bad. Oh yeah, so you know it's gonna be glassed up there, because I see his intake and coilovers and stuff like that. So this the color that he going with on the inside there, right?
Yeah.
Woo-wee. Y'all see, man. Hey, another Chi-Town Donk coming up out here. Another shot.
He's from Milwaukee.
Oh, he from Milwaukee? Oh, okay. Hey, but he brought it clean up out here though, man. Look, don't mind these rims. Look at the jewelry behind the rims. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind them demonstrations. Y'all see he got the big boy bears on these demonstrations. Hey, you know them things expensive. When you see that, you just compare yourself to Wildwood, be like, okay, he spent that money. Yeah, he spent money. You know what I'm saying?
That brake hit $8.
What? Look, hey, Wildwood me up, Jack. I ain't gonna even cap y'all. I do not got bear money. It is what it is. If you got it and you wanna make that statement, slap them demonstrations on and people gonna know, okay, he spent money on that, man. That's how you elevate and do, you know, stand out the par. But Wildwood me, I ain't gonna even cap to y'all, man. But y'all see, man, the control arms on this demonstration too, lower joints on this demonstration. It's all getting suited and booted, man. This is just another one in the lab that y'all gonna see. Once he done with it and get it out here, man, here go the sneak peek to it. So, I mean, it still gotta get painted, wheels. We still gotta do the back suspension and everything on it too.
Everything back there.
Oh, so the back suspension fully done in too. Oh, damn, I ain't even see that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see the bears on the back. The coilovers, let me let that focus in so y'all hope y'all can see that. Y'all say y'all want to start seeing some builds, so yeah. Oh, so the rear end all the way done in on this thing too.
Rear end built.
Oh yeah, so all he needs is to get pretty after you get him done, and he out here.
He's already, he'll be out of paint, he'll be out this summer.
Woo-wee. Hey man, look, this the sneak peek. Y'all ain't gonna even know which Chevy it is with the hard plan unless y'all can try and put two and two together, man, because he gonna have different wheels and everything on there. But that's one that's coming out the stable, man.
Just to give y'all an idea.
Ooh, damn. See, I'm looking at it in person. I don't understand if they can really see it on camera, bro.
Oh, you can.
How big is that damn rotor?
15.
Dude.
Y'all want to take it?
Damn. Dude, them things is, I gotta walk back over here again. These things are humongous. Humongous. Y'all don't even, let me see, hand. That's the size of my hand, right? Yeah, go ahead, give them that young. Dude, these rotors are huge.
16 in front.
And that's going on this demonstration right here. So that's what you're working on over here.
It's already got.
Oh, let me get the front view because I can get that a lot more clear.
Upper, lower arms. Viking coilovers.
Y'all see what's going on, man. In here working. Hey, that damn rotor is about to be vicious on here. Y'all see the uppers and everything on here, man. Frame look like it's been powder coated up or sprayed up and everything too. From where it's at, I see it look all juicy and everything like that.
When I do my full front suspension, I powder coat. I mean, not powder coat. sand, grind, paint, clean everything all up.
Right.
We
So
do full frame off.
yeah. I definitely, man, I walked in, I'm like, what the hell they got going on in here with a car? But hey, the frame here though, so I see what's going on with it.
Frames getting boxed, reinforced, notched front and rear for 6s, G-body.
Yeah, sir, y'all see it right here, man. Just the front demonstration getting cut out right there. That's how I had that Regal. When I had my Regal, I had the front notch too, so it could turn, you know, you get that full turn. Y'all don't get the full turn, and y'all see the back getting chopped in, frame notched and everything. Y'all can see the back of how that demonstration.
Getting braced, getting that coilovers, everything.
Yes, sir. Oh, you gonna box that in too on y'all know how that is.
That's all gonna be boxed in, sanded, cleaned up, send it off to powder coat.
Ooh-wee.
Powder coat.
I can't even show y'all the G-body that it is, but y'all just see the frame. Just know that it's another killer coming out here, man.
Get ready for.
Oh yeah, hey, yes.
We'll be off quarantine.
Please, hey, look, please explain the event and everything, because by then, quarantine, all this, you know, we don't want to talk too much about what's going on to get demonetized, but y'all know what's going on, so all that's gonna be over and done with. We gonna be back living normal, man. Tell them what's to come, bro.
Y'all know what it is. August 22nd, Chi-Town Show and Go 3. We're back down another year.
Yes, sir.
Track will be hot from 12 o'clock till 10 o'clock. From 11 o'clock.
Yeah, let them know. Early gappage, let them know.
12-hour track time. Tracks open all day. Car show, 15 plus categories. Might be adding some more if I keep getting some lowrider attention. We might try to do some lowriders with some hopping, add a little something, be a little diverse.
Yes,
so y'all
sir.
know what it is. Motherfucker gotta come for some of these.
Hey man, I'm trying to tell y'all see, look man, this been an epic show. All the demonstrate, like look man, trophies and everything. You gonna have big trophies on deck and everything too, ain't you?
Yeah, you actually take a good look. There's the trifecta.
So this show, that was 1.
That was 2.
And that was 2.
And that's 3.
Damn, I ain't make the fly. I'm capping, man. I'm slow right now, y'all. I gotta get Black Beauty out here, man. Damn, man, I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely about to be lit, though. And y'all see what's going on, man. It's gonna be some heavy whips. Hey, this flyer going crazy. Y'all like that demonstration, man. Let me get them the address. Matter of fact, yeah, I'll get right over here. So y'all see everything real quick on the camera. Boom. That's where the place is gonna be. That is exactly where it is gonna be. That is his Instagram right here, man. Contact, like he said, contact with any questions you have. The date, August 22nd, man. Mark it in the calendar. Like I say, all this gonna be over and done with, man. Look, I'ma have something out there kicking ass too. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, man. Either Hawkeye or Black Beauty. I don't know if Black Beauty got a, let's see, what we in? It's April 1st right now. We got April, May, June, July, August.
5 months.
Yeah, that's definitely a decent amount of time. I ain't gonna lie. Cause
you fuck around, put you another boo together by then.
Hey man, you know what I'm saying? We don't know what's going on. Hey, look, we just gotta see, man. But look, I'm coming definitely out here. Y'all know I don't miss nail one of them events, man. Cause if y'all look back at the old videos, y'all will see this event definitely be litty, man. So it's a must come to, and this killer gonna be there. Hey, you got some special guests coming too. I know you don't want to reveal all that right now, but
I can let it go.
okay, yes sir.
Cad, Blue Magic 73.
He bringing his whip too?
Out of Florida, he coming with the car. Been getting cash.
Oh, hold on, wait, what?
As long as everything's right, Hot Rod and Lulu said they'll be up here with the cut.
Oh man, hey.
Of course, my boy CEO Larry, he'll be up here.
Bangers.
Maine, most likely, he comes every year, so Maine Grand Nasty should be here.
Man, look, it's about to be some big rain.
My boy on the Midwest movement, he got a killer already, he got some more killers coming. Brown Hornet.
Oh yeah, hey, that thing.
People think he's out of Nap, he's actually out of Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh, okay, hey, that thing nasty though. I seen it looked like he getting rid of the combo and about to get something else. So, hey, look, I'm just noticed I see stuff I need to just keep my mouth hush, you feel me? And look, hey, I'm gonna look from the sideline, keep my mouth hush, and just know who I'm betting with, man. But look, hey, you named some heavy hitters out there.
How we coming?
Hey, you named some heavy hitters.
And I'm black this year.
Yeah. Oh man, hey, look. Video coming soon on that demonstration too. I gotta get the sneak peek on that too, man. Look, he showed me some stuff, y'all. All I gotta say is just stay tuned for the footage, man. Hey, he is coming to kill, chop, splitter, butcher, whatever you want to call it. All heads is coming off, man. Playboy.
I'm turning into a reverend. I'm hosting church. I'm coming to baptize people.
Hey, look, that thing look crazy, man. But y'all see, man, y'all already know in here. So if y'all need framework done or whatever, off the framework builds, y'all know where to come. He doing it up in here too. Chassis work and everything, suspension and stuff like that. Y'all see is going down up in here. I mean, shit, motor, drivetrain, everything. You know what I'm saying? The complete front to back. Y'all know, y'all see that he doing that up in here too. And like you say, his car speak for itself also. So I mean, it's proof in the pudding, man. You know what it is.
Golf cart if y'all want.
Hey man, lock in. Y'all see what time it is. Lock in on them things too. You know what time it is, man. Mounting up everything, man. But man, I hope y'all like this video, man. Another video to bring up, let y'all know more car content. I know y'all like the old schools and stuff like that, so trying to keep bringing that as much as I can and just keeping y'all updated with what's going on up in here and events and stuff like that, because I see there's a lot of events getting canceled and it's killing a lot of people money and everything like that, man. But look,
we'll be good for August.
Tell them again.
August 22nd, we'll be good.
Tell them again. All that's over with. Yes, sir.
Don't miss it.
Y'all know what time it is, man. So we out with another one, man. Gang, 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 gang.